In this video, I'll show you how to pay on Amazon with PayPal. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and then once you've done that, please go and consider leaving a like as well, as it really helps the channel out. And please do watch this video right until the end so you know the 4 steps in being able to use PayPal on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this guide. I'm now on Amazon and let's go and continue with this tutorial. So the main way I found to go and get around with using PayPal on Amazon is actually going and getting a gift card, and I'll be showing you the exact website you need to use to go and purchase the gift card using PayPal, and then you can go and add that to your Amazon gift balance. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up a new search engine. So I'm just using Google, and all you want to do is search for a website called Dundle. Now Dundle is going to allow you to go and purchase your gift cards, as you can see, buy e-gift cards instantly. So these codes will be available instantly for you to go and use. So of course, come to the top and go and click for search for, and simply search for Amazon. And once you search for it, you're then going to be given this list here. Now as you can see, all of these gift cards are currently in pounds, in GBP, and something you need to know is Amazon only accepts gift cards in the currency you're using. So if you want to go and use Amazon.com, then you need to click on one of these and then go and change the region to United States. So come down here, United States, and then you'll be able to go and get an Amazon $5 gift card. Same for any other country as well. Just ensure you go and get the right currency. Now another thing to consider is getting a more expensive gift card, simply because if you look at the service cost, if you get a $5 one, it's £1.71. However, if you get a $10 one, it only increases by 4 pence. So therefore you will save on the service cost if you get a more expensive gift card, because you'll have more value. But that's up to you to consider, it doesn't really matter. So go and select the value you'd like, and then go and click buy now, and then go and click checkout if you're happy with it. And then all you need to do is enter your email. Then it's going to go and take you here, and you can go and choose PayPal. So once you've got your gift card ready, then all you want to do is come back to Amazon, and you want to go to where it says your name. So mine says hello Robert, and then you want to simply go down until you see your account. So click on your account, and then it's going to take you to this dashboard, and then you want to go and simply go and click on gift cards and top up, and then you want to go and click redeem a gift card. Then you can go and paste the gift card in, which you just received. Like I said before, make sure your account matches with the region you bought the gift card in. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.